Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the file management in a Red Hat Linux operating system. Today we'll see some basic file operations like creating the file with commands like touch, cat, and how to copy the content from one file to another file. We will see. First we will see how to create the file. So we will create the file with the commands touch, vi, and cat. Okay. So first we'll see how to create the command touch file file test. Okay, now we have created the file. We'll see whether file is created or not. Yeah, now see the file test file is created. Okay, see the permissions for the file which is created by the root is 644. That is the default permissions. Okay, 6 is for root account, 4 is for group, and for remain 4 is for others. Okay, so we have three types: users, root account, and groups and others. Okay, now we created a the one file. You can also create the file like touch file dot txt ls-l. We can see here file dot txt. Okay, now I have some file. Let's say vi file1. Okay, inside this is the file 1 info. Okay, we have entered some content. And okay, inside the file, how to view the file in the, how to view the file, how to view the content inside the file is cat and file names. Okay, these are we have created. Now I'm going to copy this content into another file. How to copy is copy file1 to file2. Now yes, now if you see here cat file2, the content is copied into the file too. Okay, so copy is used to copy the content from one file to another file. Okay, want to rename the file, we have a command that is mv file name 1 and file name 2. The file will be either moved or removed. Okay, so how to remove the file? Rm file 3, remove the file. Yes, now if you see here, the file has been deleted. Now we don't see the file because the file has been deleted.